Many of the projects we're involved in, I think, have a duration, often of maybe 12 months, or in some cases, the Ornac standards of 2 years. So we're able, I think, to build a good cadence of activity with some good timelines, meeting really on a monthly basis. So there's something nice about that, not feeling that everything has to be done yesterday or tomorrow, but nevertheless, I think for me, having a to-do list of maybe 10 different projects which I keep circling through, and every day really looking at in terms of, so for a particular project, what can I do today, maybe very small, what can I do today to move that project slightly forward? And that's really the basis of the success. I think by coming back to the same very short 10-item to-do list, and each day then kind of what could I do today to move it forward, just for us and for me personally, has always been a very effective means of working and efficiency.